You go try it, right? A customer willing to try roast conch for the day, right? You try one, you go see. No, remember I invented it, just rent it. And you see normal swamp conchs, normal river conchs. With a nice blessed tamarind sauce. Yeah, morning, welcome to Trinidad Tobago, welcome, morning, Bodow. We don't know, we just lineman vibes in a little bit. Foodie Nation by me here, so we're doing a little small thing here. We're going to Trinidad Tobago, how we just really start to prep the fish, how we put everything together from foundation to finish. Yeah? Morning again, Bodow. Well, you know we done here already, vibes in again, morning time too. I want to tell everybody thanks very much for the support, thanks for the, well, I'm going to say it again, without customers, Bodow have no business, right? So in other words, we're going to do something new for you guys today. Here what we doing? We're going to do some conchs today. We're going to roast some conchs, and you know everything that's good, everybody just say, Bodow, only oysters you having, oysters and shrimps alone, so we can change everything a little bit and get all conchs. Roast Conch Cocktail like a 40 body gun. But this one going to be no 40. This one will be the cannon shot now. You know the cannon and them, I got to load up in them guns and them shippers on them big old bombs on them. This is one of them. So it's not cannon, you know, 40 body gun, it's 90 body gun, you know. Right, so you know we don't start off with the fire first. Come on boy, come on, now we check up this fire here. You realize now we change up the grill, we have 2 grill running. You understand, 2 big tower. So you know we don't start. We'll start up with our wood first. Scraps, you know what I mean? Take your time. You see how we use them? We're using dry wood, hard wood. Not no mang wood, not no cedar, no teak, nothing like that. We're using mang wood. I mean sea grapes wood, which is hard wood. No mang wood. Sea grapes wood. Driftwood. Hardwood. You want to make conchs boy, conchs for roti boy, conchs for dal puri. That's what you going to do with that conchs, but you give me that conchs. So you want to go do? I will show you how to go. This is the natural black conchs. We squeeze this water. So I'm going to put this to roast. Conchs, as you can see, like that's these small size of conchs. The shell itself does burn out in a way because the shells are the shell automatically just grow because for a conch to be this size, to get this size, the shell has to be growing. The shell itself is a you don't take heat, it just crack up in the heat. You're giving too much heat. You see how the shell done burning going already, watch. See? The fire done burn the shell, so when the water is hot, I will show the water from it, it's steaming. See here, and you go hear it steaming. You go put it back in, you can hear it finish it. So we're using the shell as the oven. So the shell come like keeping the heat inside and cooking the oyster, the conchs while they're heating up. So the conchs frying up inside there. In other words, the water inside the conchs cooking itself. It's boiling. In other words, steaming inside. See them? So you get nothing raw, but kind of sushi style down, you know. You can put it in a cocktail. That's the cucumber. You see it will come out. As I say again, 90 body gun oil. This one is not 40. This one is 90. Here the conch fried. There's a lot of heat, a lot of process. A lot of heat, a lot of process. You go try it, right? A customer willing to try roast conch for the day, right? You try one, you go see. No, remember I invented it, let's just rent it. So you see right now your conch roast, right? And you see I'm taking all the shell from it there now, taking all the little bun from on it. Take all the little bun from on it. See how you're telling yourself. I think smelling real nice, boy. It's smelling eatable, like you just eat it just so, you know what I mean? Hey, you say my brother? You cool? Yeah? What you all going on now? You all brother or sister? The boss say you want some of this here and this is 90 body gun oil. Shut to get you. Baby's not maybe. You laugh, eh? I'm going to rinse all this and be back. No, I have some of my customers and them like Richard and them. Richard the way he comes rushing. Richard tell me the cut it up just so for him, then wash it. Go. Oh, young. Oh, youth. Cut up the conch small and nice. Because you know it's river conch. And you just see, we just roast it, wash it, and start to cut it up. Got up a nice little small pieces. As I say again, this is not no 40 body gun oil, this is 90 body gun oil here now. This is level, baby. Conchs, and all the juice in the conchs. You know my routine like we do in the oysters, you know what I mean? Just like how we do in the oysters, we do it the normal way. But we give you conchs, not just conchs, roast conchs. Pepper, my brother, how slice the medium? Huh? Slice. My boy says slice. Conchs on the boss. And this is normal swamp conchs, normal river conchs. With a nice blessed tamarind sauce. Don't know.